Make learning time fun time with
Kutuki
and Minku. Subscribe now.
Hello everyone, my name is Hiral and I am a preschool expert at Kutuki. Parents, you know what the topic for today is? It is phonics. So parents, can you tell me what phonics is and why is it so important nowadays? Don't worry, I'll tell you why. So parents, as you know, as your child is small, the first thing that we teach to them is ABC. This is taught at home and also at school. But parents, you know what? All these letters also has one specific sound, and that sound is called phonics. For example, letter A makes the sound A. Letter B makes the sound B. Letter C makes the sound K, and so on. So, as we know, there are 26 letters in our English alphabet, and all these letters has one specific sound, and this is called a phonic sound. So, parents, only if your child is able to know all these sounds, he or she will be able to blend the words easily. But parents, this doesn't stop here. You think just learning the sounds is enough? No, right? Once you know that your child is thorough with all the 26 letter sounds, you can move on to the word families. Now, what are word families? Those are two letter sounds. For example, a, t. When we join it together, it becomes at. A, p. When we join it together, it becomes app. And so on, you can just teach them the word families. And along with that, you can also start with 2 or 3 letter words. Then you can start introducing the digraphs to them. Now, digraphs are 2 letters that makes one sound. For example, C and H makes the sound ch. C, H makes the sound ch. 2 letters, one sound. For example, in the word chin, ch, e, n. C and H is making one sound. So that is a digraph. Then you can teach some sight words to them like I, me, the, he, she, and many more. There are so many sight words which you can teach your little one too. Once that is done, you can just start some reading practice, writing practice with them. You also have to develop some fine motor skills. So you also have to do activities related to that. And for doing all these things, phonics is very, very important. If you know that your child is thorough with all these things, he will not face problem in learning or reading big paragraphs. But parents, along with reading, they also require some writing practice, right? For all the letter sounds, digraphs, word families, sight words and many more things. So parents, just for that, Kutuki has come up with some amazing phonics worksheet. This worksheet has many activities like coloring, pasting, writing, drawing, reading and many more things. So parents, now let me take you through these amazing worksheets. Here we go. So parents, as you can see, we have some amazing Kutuki's Phonics worksheet over here. Parents, this worksheet is specifically for nursery, and you know what all things this worksheet includes? It includes group 1 letter sounds, pre-writing activities and introduction to word families as well. Wow, let us see what all worksheets do we have inside this. Parents, this worksheet is specifically for 3 to 4 years old and it has many activities for your fine motor development. So this is our worksheet, and parents, as you can see, it has our favorite characters too, Kutuki and Minku. So let's get started. This is the set 1 worksheet, and here we have letter S, as you can see. So parents, whenever you are introducing any new letter to your little one, always remember to introduce the letter's sound. For example, the sound of this letter S is S. Parents, this worksheet is specifically for their fine motor development, so they can trace, color, do whatever they want. then here they have writing. You can give them crayon, sketch pen, marker, whatever they wish to, and they can just trace the letter S. This is also for their fine motor skills. Here we have some very interesting story about Kutuki and one more girl. So you can just narrate the story to them, and along with that you can also focus on the sound, that is S. Here we have some coloring activity, some circling, more coloring. So you can just give them choice of colors, painting, whatever they wish to. So this was about the set 1 worksheet. Same way we have many more letters. So this is letter A, this is letter T. Here, now you know what we have. Now your child must be aware of some of the letter sounds. So here we are starting introduction to a word family, that is A, and, because your child is already aware of both these letter sounds, and with and they have many words. For example, man, and if you can see, we also have a picture for them, so they can just guess it, because it might be a little difficult for them to read these letters. Here they have to circle the correct letter sound. For example, this is man, so they have to circle the letter M and write it over here. So it will be man. One more activity, some tracing, more word families. If you can see here, we are focusing more and more in their reading, writing practice and developing their fine motor skills. So when they go to LKG or UKG, their fine motor skill will be developed and they will be able to write easily. Now here we have started some reading of simple sentences. If you can see, there is a picture drawn over here and there is a sentence. The elephant sees an egg. So they can just read the sentence. Here now we have some tracing of slanting line, some curves, zigzag, mountains and different patterns. By this time we can just give them some pencil to hold and make them practice on this. See, more of writing. Going forward, we are focusing more on writing part as well. So this was about our set 1 worksheet, parents. Isn't it amazing? So now let's see what do we have in our LKG worksheets. So parents, that was about our nursery worksheet. Now this is for our LKG kids. This worksheet includes all the letter sounds, word families, sight words, long and short vowels, reading and writing practice as well. So many things. Isn't it amazing, parents? Parents, this worksheet is mainly for the age group of 4 to 5 years old. Wow, look at the amount of worksheets do we have in this. So let's go one by one. Let's start with the set 1 worksheet. Here we are starting with the letter sounds. Here in LKG we will have more and more of writing practice along with the letter sounds as well. So by the time their fine motor skills is already developed, so you can concentrate more on writing part for them. Here they have some reading. Here they have a letter A story. Some worksheets. Letter T. Coloring, cutting, pasting, reading. Now here we have at, because by this time they are already aware of some of the letter sounds. So here we have at family word. Parents, you can just tell them to take their pointer finger and read the letters one by one. For example, this is and it becomes mat. For guessing, they have also given a picture over here. So this is about the word family. Here we have some match the pictures with at family words. Some reading of at family. See, as you can see here, we have a sentence. Keys bat is on a at map. And along with that, we also have some pictures. So they just have to read the sentence and match it with the correct sentence. Now here we have a very new and interesting thing, sight words. So parents, always remember to introduce what is the meaning of a sight word. It means that we never say the sounds. Whenever we are saying the sight word, we will only read the letters. This is the sight word I. Here we have reading of sight word, tracing, writing, coloring, finding the letter I, finding the sight word I and circling it. And here they also have to make a sentence. Here one more word family, some reading. And here also we have some reading. So this was about the set 1. Let's see what do we have over here. So here we have letter R. Along with that we will have some reading, writing, coloring for their fine motor skills, guessing game and many more things. Along with that, as you can see, we are also introducing sight words along with that. Here we have the sight word U, some guessing game in between, more sight words, some assessment worksheet in between for all the word families that are done over here. Here we have a vowel worksheet. So parents, as you know, there are two sounds. Each vowel makes two sounds. One is the long sound and the other one is the short sound. So this is a vowel worksheet for them. What they have to do over here, just guess the picture. For example, this is a cap. K-A-P, cap. So which is that vowel we will use in the word cap? That is A. The sound A, which is also vowel. So they just have to circle the letter A. More letters. So it was like this. Let's see our next set of worksheets. Here we have 8 family worksheets, some letters, long vowel worksheet, more sight words, revision worksheet assessing them, reading. See here, if you can see, we also have some of the 4-letter words. Some sight words. Here we are covering maximum number of sight words over here. And if you can see, towards the end, we also have some revision worksheet. We have some short paragraphs like this, which you can just read for them and also tell them to read. Along with the paragraph, we also have some questions related to that. And here they have to write the word. Here, there are some words given over here related to the story. They just have to make some sentences using the words that are given below. Same way, we have revision worksheets for all of it. Here revision of all the letter sounds. As you can see, there are so many number of assessment worksheets over here, just to know whether your child is thorough with each and every topic or no. So parents, this was about our LKG worksheets. So parents, as you can see here, we have our last set of phonics worksheet. This worksheet is for UKG children. Parents, you want to see what all things this worksheet includes? It has all the word families, sight words, long and short vowel sounds, blends, digraphs, trigraphs, reading and writing practice. Wow, so many things. Isn't this amazing? So parents, this UKG worksheet is basically for 5 to 6 years of age group. Let us see what all things this worksheet has. So parent, by the time your child is in UKG, he or she must be already aware of all the letter sounds. So here we are directly starting with the word families. As you can see, we have at family worksheet over here. Here for UKG children, we mainly have more of reading and writing practice and guessing game as well. As you can see here we have a reading worksheet and family worksheet sight words. Now here parents, we are going to introduce all the sight words. Here we have the sight word he and she. Some word family worksheets, reading practice along with that, some writing, more of sight words. Now parents, here what we are also going to do is we are going to introduce digraphs to them. Now parents, as I told you in the video, digraphs are two letters that makes one sound. Here we have the digraph E. As you can see, we have two letters E and E, but it only makes one sound, that is E. See, B, E, P, beep, beep goes the jeep. So EE is the digraph over here. So this is the EE worksheet, and related to that we have some fill in the blank. Here we have an assessment worksheet of some of the digraphs that are done. The one more digraph, ng, ng makes the sound ng. So this is one more digraph worksheet. Some sight words. Here we are going to cover all the sight words. As you can see, on different pages we have sight words, long vowels, short vowels, digraphs, word families, and many more things. Now here, as you can see, this is sight word revision worksheet. Here there are all the sight words mentioned. You can just point your finger at any one of the sight word and your child can just make the sentence with that sight word. Here we have the hard C worksheet. So parents, there are many rules in phonics as well. For example, hard C and soft C rule. We have rules like magic E and many more. So by this time we have covered all the sight words. These are the digraphs. We have some of the trigraphs as well over here, parents. So trigraphs are three letters that makes one sound. And here, if you can see, we have a paragraph. And related to that, we have some questions. So parents, just tell them to read this paragraph by themselves. You can also help them if they find any difficulty, but try to tell them to do it by themselves. Here we have some worksheet related to trigraphs. Now here, this is our assessment worksheet for all the things that we have done so far, just to know whether they are thorough with all the things or no. Here we have some blends, some roll the dice activity for them, such fun and colorful worksheets, some sight words. So parents, this was about our UKG worksheets. Isn't it interesting? So colorful and amazing worksheets do we have. So this was about our UKG worksheet. Thank you. So parents, don't you think these worksheets were just amazing? If you must have noticed, these worksheets were divided into three parts. One was for nursery, that is for 3 to 4 years old. The second was for LKG, that is for 4 to 5 years old. And the last set of worksheets for UKG, for 5 to 6 years old. And there were so many amazing activities in this worksheet. If you must have noticed, parents, here in this worksheets, we also focus on their fine motor skills. So for nursery and LKG, we had many activities related to their fine motor skills. For example, coloring, pasting, reading, cutting, like that. And for UKG, we were mainly focusing on their reading part. And phonics is about so many things. You all saw in the worksheet, right? So parents, this is about phonics. Now we know why phonics is so important. So parents, hope you liked the video. Please do like, subscribe and share. And I will meet all of you in our next video. Till the time, thank you. Bye-bye.
If you had fun learning with Kutuki and Minku, don't forget to subscribe now and download the Kutuki app.